Watch the full video of this 384 square feet super compact home on Buildofy.com. Head to the description of this video to also download the PDF ebook with house plans, material details and construction techniques.
Brick View House is a compact house designed in a old city of Bangalore. Our client Shamanth approached us for building a duplex unit for his mother as well as himself. Our client is also a family of weavers, and then they used to do that hand weaving. They wanted to cherish the memory also as a part of weaving. So the idea of weaving of brick we taken as a metaphorically how the threading is done with respect to get fabric. Our site is located in Kapanpet. So this connects from Kandai Bhavana and we will reach our site, and then also we will go and then connect to JC Road. So these roads are becomes much more narrow and narrow the way we go into interiors. Entire localities, it's a mixed use development where ground level and then the first floor level is completely commercial, and then each of these businessmen, women, they are going to stay on top. So our plot 24 feet of width, 16 feet for the depth of the site. The backside land is already existing building. It is by client themselves. It is from one of the relatives. So this is their passage on the backside to go here. As per bylaws, so anything less than 50 square meter is a row house, and then no setbacks to be left. So our way of getting light and ventilation only through front, and rest of other buildings here are sharing the common walls. So keeping entry to the rear passage, so that was a requirement which we need to keep it, and then allow access from the street itself to the rear unit. So our somewhere staircase has to work here. So with respect to that, we lose 7 feet over here, and then we will get a space to design. This becomes our usable space. So we have almost 16 by 15 feet for usage. This becomes a shop which access from street itself, and we will start climbing up to our duplex unit. We created a veranda space at this level, and it opens out to the main living space. So within that, we created a service zone, a common washroom, and a small kitchen space. And then we have a TV unit here. So after this, it becomes an internal staircase here, and then we start climbing up. So it becomes a complete double height, and then we have a skylight upper level where we get a light from. And then we have a sliding door here for the bedroom space. So this is a bedroom space with a wardrobe, and then the window getting the light. These spaces always get the reflected light. So we have 3 floors, these screens, which is completely the length of 33 feet. So challenge was to create one monolithic brick view. So with respect to that, we thought the brick, which is a natural material which is made up of clay, gives a sense of earthiness. This screen acts as a security grill for the interiors. It has to be even cost effective as a brick facade, so they cannot say no to this brick view design. We created a 45 degree, a 90 degree and 135 degree angle of bricks. Brick weaving per day not more than 3 to 4 courses, because it has to get the curing done. So this whole Facade took almost 45 days to 60 days. This depth is not more than 400 so it is acting as a micro edges by shifting this, allowing dappled light with respect to this polygonal openings. Key takeaway from Brick Wave is about collaboration. Any project, if it is has to be successful, all client and then contractor and architect all has to be supportive, and then there should be a collaborative effort from everyone. Being a tiny plot, we were very happy that we could able to convert clients' memories into architectural building facade, and then that is becoming contextual kind of remarks for the entire locality. When we even come back and then see the project after 6 months to 1 year, so they have kept the house nicely. So that way, what we designed and then how it is being utilized, that will bring in joy to any architect.